Today guys, I show you how to keep using Windows 10 with extended security updates. Windows 10 support ends in October 14, 2025. Enroll now. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Also check my playlist over 187 English Masterclass for more interesting content. Okay guys, all you need to do, just press your Windows button and tap here updates. And you will see check for updates, open it, and you will see this message like me. Enroll in extended security update. If you see this message, click here enroll now, move here next, and you will see this message. You're eligible to enroll in extended security updates at no cost. Just click here enroll and wait for this. After doing that, you can enroll your system to October 13, 2026. A whole year. If you find this guide useful and get updates for your Windows, like and subscribe to the channel and share this with your friend. Keep using Windows 10.